Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to begin your betting journey on WinBuzz. First, you will need to create an account, which is a quick and straightforward process. Simply provide your basic personal details like your name, email, and phone number. After that, verify your account using the one-time password sent to your mobile or email. This step ensures your account's security and grants you full access to all features, including various sports and casino games. Once your account is active, the next step is to add funds so you can start playing. WinBuzz supports several convenient payment options, including UPI, net banking, and popular e-wallets. Navigate to the deposit section, choose your preferred method, and enter the amount. Remember to check for exciting welcome bonuses or promotions, which can give you extra funds to play with. Always review the bonus terms, including any wagering requirements. Now, let's understand what session play means, especially in sports like cricket. Session betting allows you to place wagers on specific outcomes within a defined segment of a match, rather than the entire game. For instance, in cricket, you might bet on the total runs scored in the first 10 overs, or whether a wicket will fall within a certain 5-over period. This adds an exciting, fast-paced dimension to your betting experience. To place a session bet, simply navigate to your chosen sport, like cricket, and find the available session markets. Select the specific outcome you wish to bet on, such as over 150 runs in 20 overs. Enter your desired stake, which is the amount of money you want to wager, and confirm your bet. Always remember to play responsibly by setting a budget and using WinBuzz's tools for deposit limits and session reminders.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.